In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from savings to main account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you general instructions on how to properly transfer money between your accounts. So if you have a specific amount of money in a savings account and you would like to transfer it to another main account or vice versa, follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to get it done. However, something that I want to make very clear is that I'm not going to be able to give you specific tips for every single bank out there. Every bank will have a different way of doing this. Even though they are similar overall, there might be minor differences that make this process different for you than it is from another bank. So keep all of that in mind. I'm going to use the Bank of America as an example because I believe it is a very popular choice. So what you have to do is open either the app or the online banking section for your bank. So let's say, for example, you use Chase, you open the Chase app or the Chase website. You use Bank of America, you open the Bank of America app or the Bank of America website, and so on. Sign into your account where you will be making the transfer. And usually in the apps, you will see the option to transfer money at the bottom of your screen. Once again, Bank of America is no exception. It is available here. If you have a different bank, there might be a menu at the bottom of the screen, at the left side of the screen, and so on, and you simply have to find the option to initiate a transfer. For Bank of America, you tap here and then you go over to transfer between my accounts. Now you can choose the source of this transfer and the destination. So tap on From, choose Account, and then select My Savings Account. Of course, if you want to transfer from another account, it is also going to be listed here. And once you select the account that you will be transferring from, choose the destination account. Once again, there is no secret to this. Just choose any other account available after you select the primary one, and you will be able to input the amount. So double check the accounts, the amount, and choose the date. You can make this go as soon as possible or schedule it for the future. Then you tap Next, it is going to be verified, and if everything looks okay, the transfer will be scheduled, allowing you to transfer money between your own accounts. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from savings to main account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.